Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And welcome to Our Lives Travel.
Ew.
KOA in South Carolina. You see all of the trailers. Can she say hi? See, I don't get to see a lot of people. See, I don't get to see a lot of people. Oh, look at you. Good girl. Good girl. See? Yeah, I just want to say hi. Thank you. So, we are staying at a KOA, which is a Campgrounds of America. They have them all over, and basically it's a style of an RV park, and they have full hookups, water, sewer, electricity, which is great. And it is we're in Spartanburg, South Carolina. And I like it so far. It's really nice.
Hey guys.
Hey.
We are on our way to North Carolina to see our parents. And look who's coming with us. Toasted Marshmallow is back there. And Pop Tie. Looks like her neck is broken, but it's not. It's right there. So we are on our way. We are pulling our trailer and we are, oh actually we're about an hour away, so we're almost there. So not too far. Excited. We're actually going to be there a little bit earlier than our campsite will be available to us. So we're going to go to my parents' house and just park it there for a little bit and then head on over to the park. Corey's driving. He's been driving the whole time. He's been great.
I think I've got the hang of this now. It's actually not bad. And I've been feeling good about it.
So we figure our truck is getting about 10.89, 11 gallons, excuse me, 11 miles to the gallon. So could be a little bit better, but honestly that's about what I was seeing online. At one point we thought we were only getting 8 and that was horrible. So I'll take 11 over 8. But anyway, so far so good. We spent last night at our first KOA campground in Gaffney, South Carolina, and it was really great. Everybody there was so nice. Now I will say the spots were kind of tighter than what we were used to because this was our first private campground. We've always stayed in the state campgrounds and stuff like that so far. But everybody was really nice. We had a nice site. It had a patio, a little brick patio.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
It had a little brick patio and, oh, get this. This is the first campsite I think we have ever been on where we didn't have to level anything left or right.
Oh yeah, that was great.
Right. So, and the only reason we probably even had to level front to back is because we were only there one night. We did not hook. So we did level it a little bit, but we didn't have to put those Anderson levels out there. Oh, I love that. And it made it easier to get up this morning and head on out. So
did you see the fireplace, the little fire pit that we had?
Oh yeah, it was very cute. It was nice.
Very cute. A lot of people were using theirs, and then I liked the fact that also it was a full hookup, so we could have hooked it up to sewer.
Yes. And so it was full hookup, but again, we were only there one night. We knew we weren't going to be using that much water, so we didn't even bother hooking up.
Easy to get into, just back it in.
And if we had stayed there or if we had had kids, they had dog parks, they have parks, they have swimming pools, and all of this stuff is open. Putt-putt golf. They have a pizza restaurant.
Yeah,
there, a convenience store. So this is a KOA holiday, as this is our first one. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means that this is the type of KOA that you would go to for vacation. That's what I'm guessing. I don't know. But it was really nice, so I would give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And we would stay there again. I liked it. It may be our new place to stay every time we come home. Although I don't think we'll always bring the trailer when we come home, because we can just stay at our parents'
But like if we were passing through and trying to get to Myrtle Beach or something like that, or wherever we're going, I think it's a good idea. A good place to stop.
Myrtle Beach.
I recommend.
That would be out of the way to go to the
what if we were going to North Carolina, New York City?
We're not taking
or Virginia.
To New York City.
Or are we going to Virginia?
Or the Poconos. Or what if we were going to Canada?
Or we're going to Chicago. Or we're going to my favorite place, Nebraska.
Alright guys, obviously we are out of it now, so we will talk to you later. Bye!
Hey everybody, we are at Falls Lake Campground, Loop B, and as you can see, there is nobody around. We are completely by ourselves. Nobody around. Let's take a look at our RV and see what our setup is like. You can see, got everything set up here. We got our slide out in. See, we got full hookups. Got our fire protector on. Got our water set up. Got our water filter put on. Yep. Air conditioner running. See, we're got our stabilizers. We're level. Didn't have to use our levels while we were here. Everything's all level. And then you come back here, you can see our full setup right there. Got our chairs out there, Dana's crafting stuff. See? Dana's crafting stuff, chairs, picnic table over here. Got a grill, fire pit. Fire pit right here. And then vast emptiness. No one around. See? Just us. Complete emptiness. Site B45. Spot to come to. Because there's nobody here. And even if there was somebody here, we are so empty in this space, we wouldn't be around anybody. See, there's a campsite right there. See, that's 44, but it is like 20 or 30 feet away from us. So even if somebody was over there, we still have complete privacy. There was somebody over there a couple days ago, a Class A. Never heard them. They were so far away from us, wasn't even funny. And then there's another site over there, so that's 44. The site next to them, I think, is 42. Completely empty, there's nobody over there. You got the playground over here. And through these woods over here, you got the playground. It's closed, off, tarped off. There's a parking line over there right in front of it. So you can park there and go to the playground, but it's closed. So even if there was people over there, there's nobody in our way. So it's completely empty. There's a site, I will show you. There is a site directly across from us, 46. As you can see, 46 is over there, but it's up in the woods. So they wouldn't be bothering us either. So 46 is up in the woods. It's nowhere near us either. So we just got the perfect site. I mean, we really, really did. we lucked out with 45. So this is our spot. We will definitely be coming back here. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos, usually on Thursdays. Have a great day and keep watching Our Lives Travel.
Coming up next on Our Lives Travel.
What does the apple sound like when you bite into it?
All right, so now we're gonna do a semi-tour.
What about watch no QVC?